Did you know that there is an absolutely free website out there that you can use to make money again and again without investing anything at all? Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so today guys, this site here called promo.com will be paying us. And as I've never shown this platform previously on my channel, let me elaborate on what this site is first. Promo, as the name suggests, is a site where you can create various promotion videos. If you hover your mouse over what you can do here, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. You can create promo videos, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and LinkedIn ads. And to see exactly what kinds of videos this site has to offer you, you can click on templates right over here. On the next page, you'll be able to see all these templates that you can use with this platform. And they're all looking quite nice, as you can see. With all of that said though, you can come on this platform, check out some of these templates, check out all the features it has to offer its customers, and so on. But since we are not customers of this site, and we will not be paying them, but instead using them in order to get paid, I will jump straight to what you will need to do when you come onto this platform. And that is to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you will then want to click on affiliates right here. So yes, we do want to promote this as affiliate. And as you will soon see, there's no shortages of outstanding features that are in particular helpful for people who want to promote this platform, which is why we will be using it and not some other sites. Furthermore, I will show you exactly where and how to easily get traffic to your link so that you can make some very decent amounts of money by referring people. But before we even get to that part, let me first cover some of the features of this site's affiliate program and why it's such a good idea to promote this in the first place. The first rather obvious benefit is that the potential customers who will want to use this platform, in other words, people who want to advertise, are most likely running a business. And guess what? Most business owners have a common big budgets and the willingness to invest their money into something that could help their business grow, even if there's a bit of a risk. And that is going to come into play most definitely when you try to get someone to pay this platform, which is a big benefit, and you will have a far easier time referring people to here than to some other platform. However, arguably the best feature in my opinion about this site and why it's so good to promote as an affiliate are the reviews. If you go over to Trustpilot.com, you will see that Promo has a rating of 4.6 stars with nearly 800 reviews. 87% of people rated it as excellent, 5% is great, and only a mere 8% or so as bad, poor, or average combined. And these reviews are hugely important, guys. They make referring people to Promo that much easier, especially when you combine these awesome reviews with the fact that potential customers will have big budgets and will actually profit from creating a promo video with this website, because this video will in the end get them more sales. Now with that out of the way, let me show you how much money we're talking about on here. You will be able to see that this site offers 30% commissions, which are not the best definitely, but they are better than what most sites have to offer for sure. And with that said, let me now show you how much money you can expect per sale. As you can see, this site offers 3 pricing plans, with both the annual and monthly option, the former offering a slight discount. Now let's say you refer 10 people here, and that all go for the monthly business plan here since it costs $60, and you get 30% of that. That means you would make around $20 per person. So 10 people purchasing this plan is already $200. So as you can see, you do not need that many people to pay this site to earn a lot of money. And remember, since this site will create ads for people, That means it will be profitable for them to invest money into this. In turn, this means that a big majority of people, or even a majority, will go for the annual plans, which of course means that you would earn a lot more money in the long run. Long story short, due to the awesome reviews and the fact that potential customers will actually make money by investing a bit into this site, it means that it's much easier to refer people to here than to some other sites. And as you've just seen, you will earn a very decent amount of money when you do so as well. To sign up to their affiliate program, just click on Join Now right over here. And then on Join Now once again, on the very next page, you will then just have to enter in all of your demographic info before being able to sign in. Once you sign into your account, this is what everything will look like. You'll be able to see all of the data right here. How many clicks, how many people referred, and of course, to the right of that, you'll be able to see your earnings, which for the time being will be 0, but that will change soon enough. Your affiliate link will be located right down here, and whenever someone pays promo via link, you will get paid as a result. Now, as always, I would recommend you shorten it with the URL shorteners like bit.ly.com, simply because it will make the link look a lot better. And you could expect to get more clicks, which in the end would mean more money made. In any case, and now that you've just signed up with the affiliate program and grabbed your link, it's finally time for me to show you exactly where can you look for traffic. And arguably the best place for that is YouTube, believe it or not. And using YouTube, you can get traffic in two ways. Either creating a video like some of these people about Instagram ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, or whatever, or you can also contact the people from the comments section. Either way, every single person who watch and comment on these kinds of videos are potential customers. Because think about it, why would they be watching a video about Instagram ads, for example, if they don't want to create them? Now, with that being said, if you want to create a video, then don't worry. You won't have to record yourself for the camera if you're either camera shy or don't own a camera at all. You can just use this software here called OBS in order to record your screen and simply go over all of Promo's features while doing so. And then leave your affiliate link in the description below, and whenever someone makes a purchase through that link, you will get paid and in passive income too, as your video will remain on YouTube indefinitely. And you could get clicks and purchases through your link months afterwards. Now, in case you don't want to bother creating videos, even though that is way better in my opinion, you can simply try and contact people in the comment section from these videos. And before you apply to some of these people, you want to first click on sort by and select on newest first, since you don't want to reach out to people that have left a comment like 2 months ago. With that done, you will want to reply to all of those people saying stuff like, this is the best tool to create Instagram ads, Facebook ads, or whatever. And then leave your affiliate link next to that. And you want to do that for all of the comments that you can find. This, as you may guess, will take a bit of time and you won't be making money passively for sure. But if you don't want to create any videos at all, this is the best way to get traffic. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.